at my local coffee shop, and I'm decided that I'm going to do something really simple. This is my tip. Start small. All I'm doing is sketching this little pepper pot, okay? Or salt pot. I think it's pepper. And I'm just like, try sketching something really simple. If this is a bit hard for you, like, just find a sign or a cup or something you feel that you could accomplish and just sketch that. This advice actually came from a very well-known British illustrator who just loves urban sketching and travel sketching and goes all over the world and on his job, and he's always doing some sketching. So you can see I'm just sketching along here, just got my little pen. I've got the outlines. Just be simple, put a few outlines. Don't worry too much about anything else. Just do it at the skill level that you're capable of doing it. Like, I'm not expecting you to be necessarily at the same skill level as me, and perhaps you're even quite possibly even better. But just, do it as best you can. And I guarantee this will really help you. So you see I'm finishing this up here. And that's as simple as that. So just a little sketch. And do as many things as you can. Just keep going till you get some confidence going. And there you go. Hopefully you're seeing this in time to join our urban sketching online through Zoom on Sunday the 22nd of June. And if you live close to San Francisco, join us on Monday, June the 30th at the Yerba Buena Center, where we'll be doing some outdoor urban sketching. But if you don't get to this in time, then we will be making a recorded lecture out of the online workshop. So, and publishing that, and we'll let you know when that's available, so that you can join that if you don't make it by this coming Sunday, as it's a little short notice. So I do hope you'll manage to join us. See you then. Bye.